I welcome you all to this video. And today in this video, we will discuss about downloading and installing Microsoft SQL Server. So I will be providing this link in the resource section, so you can access this page from there. And let's scroll down. And here you can see that we have two editions. So one of them is Developer Edition and the second one is Express Edition. So the Developer Edition is a full-featured free edition licensed for use as a development and test database in a non-production environment. And if we will talk about the Express Edition, so it is also a free edition. It is ideal for development and production for desktop, web, and small server applications. So for the practice purpose and all that stuff, we will download the Developer Edition. So let's download the Developer Edition from here. So I'll simply click on Download Now. And the executable file was downloaded. I will simply click here on this file. And now simply click on Yes. Basic. Accept. Install. So the download and install, the installation process might require some time. So no worries, we'll wait for that time. Wait for some time. You may fast forward this part because it may require some time. All right. So now the installation has been completed. Now it is required to install SQL Server Management Studio. So I will simply click here on Install SSMS. So it will take us to this link. I'll scroll down and we can download SSMS from here. So just simply click here on this link. And the download may require some time. All right, SSMS setup. So I'll click on this executable file. Sorry. Install. Yes. Again, it might require some time, so you can fast forward this part. All right, so all specific components have been installed successfully. Close. If I will try to search for SQL Server Management Studio, so you can see that here we have SQL Server Management Studio 20. So I will simply click on it, and SQL Server Management Studio might require some time to open. You can search for it in the search bar and then you can open it from here. So now in the server type, let's choose database engine. In the server name, you can provide your server name. So mine is Jayant Lenovo, so that is selected. Authentication method, Windows authentication, encryption, optional, and simply click on connect. All right. So if I will now click on the new query, so it will open a new query window for us, and we can run a simple select statement to see how it works. So we can write select 5 plus 5, and let's try to execute this. So I will select this statement written in line number 3 and I'll execute it. So it shows the result as 10. So this was just an example, and that's how you can download and install Microsoft SQL Server. From the next session, we will start with our discussion about this language, that is structured query language. We will take questions and examples to understand about all of the different components and different parts of that have been mentioned in the course introduction. So I hope this video was helpful, and we'll meet in the next session. Also, you can create a shortcut on desktop for SQL Server Management Studio, and you can directly access it from there. So I hope this video was helpful. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.